For problem 4, I want to write a polynomial function of fourth degree with zeros at 2, 1, and 0. Another word for zeros is x-intercepts. So these are actually telling me my x-intercepts, where I'm going to intersect with the x-axis on my graph. So I'm going to do that at 2, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0 is what this is saying. Those are my x terms in my x-intercept. First thing I want to do is find the factored form of that polynomial function. So I need to find what are the factors that I'm multiplying together. The first factor is going to be from that 0, 2. I know if I have an x-intercept at 2, my factor that's in factored form is going to be x minus 2. So I have a factor of x minus 2. For that 0, 1, I know the factor will be x minus 1. X minus 1. And then for that 0, 0, or that x-intercept 0, I know my factor is x minus 0, or I can just say x, so I'm multiplying by x. Those are 3 factors. If I multiply those together, I know based on the highest power in each factor, my highest power when I multiply these together is going to be y is equal to x to the third power. That's going to be my highest degree, but I need this to be a fourth degree equation, a fourth degree function. So that doesn't work for me. This is not good yet. What I have to do is I have to add, I can only use these 3 zeros that were given to me, but I need to have x to the fourth power as my highest degree. I can have multiple zeros. I can have the same 0 repeating multiple times. So what I'm going to do here to keep just with those zeros, not add anything extra, but make this fourth degree, I'm going to add one of the factors a second time. So one of these 3 factors I'm going to add a second time. The easiest one to add a second time is x. So I'm just going to add another x at the end. Then I know when I multiply these together, I'm going to have y is equal to x to the fourth power plus a bunch of stuff. That highest power is going to be x to the fourth power. So that's my factored form. Then to get to standard form from there, I want to FOIL all of this. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to bring that x squared to the front. So x times x gives me x squared. I'm going to multiply x squared times x minus 2 times x minus 1. And that's going to give me, when I distribute this x squared to x and minus 2, I'll have x cubed minus 2x squared, and that's I'm multiplying by x minus 1. If I FOIL this, I have x cubed times x, which gives me x to the fourth power. X cubed times minus 1 is negative x cubed. Then I have negative 2x squared times x, which gives me negative 2x cubed, and then negative 2x squared times negative 1 is negative 2x squared, or positive 2x squared, I'm sorry. And then I simplify these terms by combining my like terms, which are just my 2 middle terms there. I have my standard form then is going to be x to the fourth power minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared. So this is my standard form. My factored form is here. And now I want to classify. So name this polynomial function based on its highest degree and the number of terms that it has. So its highest degree, its fourth degree. The number of terms it has it has 3 terms. I'm talking about the standard form. I'm classifying that. So it has 3 terms, which makes this from the fourth degree, I know it's quartic. I call it quartic. And from the 3 terms, I know it's called a trinomial. So it's a quartic trinomial. And that's my final answer.